Ado ne Bawumia ne nkrofo no. Eno mo TV bi e friend Hubtel.
Welcome to the Political Run to me, the voice writing on Ghana SMTVGH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. This word. God has a way of clearing our name if we are innocent. And idea bia we biano. So unim pete o akuma mu say eya de pa we no. Please keep doing it, okay? Say obi anim Hubtel. Hubtel a company bia as a payment platform. Both companies in the private sector and the public sector patronize to make payments and all those things. Now, Hubtel no mu bebre na your name sa company nisa until MPP Bawumia Dr. Bawumia started near your free name no as a digitalization agenda to digitalize our payment system and all those things to ensure say payment is smooth, ensure that payment is swift and pay.
Ya mumusa ECG the tia o mato saka ni o ye ni etua yesika no sika na etua na nko ECG for direct o e ko company be friend Hubtel na busa se Hubtel no nya Bawumia dia Bawumia na omo wa gisika no na nsa ro ja ko ECG no mo bi o ma percentage me ba me te se ma me bi free ja che pram so ase ye
no super
no so ma me wo so a me te se so on to aba ka se wo nto aba ma MPP bio me nua no asantefo a party they run modem to all cast of Kototia MPP no I know me ja MPP one of the reasons because this was a party we sacrificed our blood but there comes a time you have to choose Ghana ahead of political party
okay
Mami no car war bono Hubtel for and managing meter your pet of the sika we are we have some music as no ma your software and
I run fast.
So we are
very, very fast.
Me work contract in you are me for the amount. Wow. Now read your be soon. Sadi partners over Bajon kwa. Dear Bonnie no money
Solomon Uzu Eddie Assembia to just say Hubtel a tech company organ as say you know and a take charge of ECG for bills. Company no Bawumia there. Mahmudu Bawumia to me a critical company as say you know and a take charge of ECG for bills. More Ghana for the say no bills are mutiano ecosropa. Engine say Bawumia company na yefena Hubtel no or no and in charge of bills and say a mammo bills ecosropa papa. Bawumia wangasa we vice president and our creative tech company yefena Hubtel and our tech company no any ECG ekoludu. And the information Solomon Usudi too when say Hubtel no possess bills na our factory no call ECG ho na percentage woman na omache. This is what they are doing to you Ghanaians. Ghana for mon question krofobi. Untumi me vice president na wo company ensanso fan ho nkoje government nyumamu. That be a conflict of interest. I didn't know bisa akoso. Mo empire for nangaza any member. Vice president mu na wo company na take in charge of ECG. ECG a government property. Government diano. Who as a vice president na do hwajim na wo company Hubtel take bills process nti na ama bills kosoro. We say a serious nation ka Bawumia we inkombe investigate no. So no usu na this asem we able to just company no Bawumia dia. Bawumia but abontin be ka kire nse company no enya wo dia. Say you would there, say one can investigate too.
All of the go businessmen in this country of the past, we're not necessarily
and the sad thing is we're not documenting what they did, which I find it's a very big missing piece.
Yes.
We don't know the people that imported certain things into Ghana. What are the challenges? We don't know why some businesses failed. Some big businesses of the past. Nobody is documenting it. If you go to the our business schools in Ghana,
payment is kind of not inconvenient. Bills and other stuff. And this Hubtel way it was doing well, and I said epic na obiabe using Hubtel watching for watching rag. Some of them accept payment on the Hubtel platform. Nyankoti a NDC for see Hubtel no. Dr. Mahmudu Bawumia dear. Now Dr. Mahmudu Bawumia a founder of Hubtel. Yes, sir. Now Hubtel has been there since. And they say the Banu Sena, Dr. Mahmudu Bawumia be founder of Hubtel. NDC for the year same. And a journalist be to say Nana Jantuah mu of Inshira FM mu and some communicators all over. And I have to know Dr. Bawumia vice president and any company have to also contract ukotua my ECG na yen nuanom from movement from change crowd there West Rekeke West Sem movement for change for and now more MPP mu it now money sad dealings nyina na dealings I think somewhere no crazy say Ghanaians didn't know who to believe. On one hand, somebody was telling them, say, Hubtel no, Bawumia dear. On the other hand, no, they also know, say, Hubtel has been in existence even before MPP came to power. Nyamin dear. And the MPP ni abayemu biom. And Hubtel for, omuko celebrate 20 years anniversary. 20 years, 2 decades. Now, say 20 years, I'll calculate actually say they started working operation in 2005. 2005, now Dr. Bawumia won even. No, you need more Bank of Ghana. Now, Hubtel celebrations in the mono. NDC gurus, they say Sam George, Dominic Ayine, and a lot of others were in attendance. You see, so company Dr. Mahmudu Bawumia founder, according to some whack journalists and whack communicators, mischievous communicators, no. Say, company no, a year there, NDC for the quarter, there, ya invited Dr. Mahmudu Bawumia. Dr. Bawumia Musa Adoni any no. Hubtel year celebrations when you're inviting. Now Sam George, Dominic Ayine, and the rest I'm here NDC for. And Dr. Mahmudu Bawumia company no invite you. Hey, we are still with power politics. We do want to share politics more. And so also there be a certain person memo akuma. Because uni akuma, you say mfu bi anko for debate do no. One share, we go kasana kasati ya unyakupo. For now, it is clear, it's evident, we all know, say, Dr. Mahmudu Bawumia has 0 share in Hubtel. He is not a founder of Hubtel. Now a vain propaganda, and that propaganda has been exposed, thankfully. Now we know that Hubtel is a privately owned company. And so, no, Obiam Fast Assembly, year politics and propaganda bill. This has been the Political Round with me, the voice right on Ghana and TV GH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. And then, bye-bye, cheers. See you in the next one.